Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Technical. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to search our records in MySQL table using the concepts of PHP. Let's get started. Before I move on to the code explanation, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on an update. Now let us look at the code. First, I created a form with the fields as title, start date and end date. I have created these three attributes in order to search my records by inputting the values of these three. Now let us understand the working of SQL queries used in this tutorial. This SQL query is used to remove ambiguity and join both the tables. After that, we have taken three variables, string 1, string 2 and string 3. Here string 1 is a variable that checks the title of the table and the title entered by the user. Similarly, string 2 and string 3 check the range of start date and end date. This will be done as required by the programmer. Now, you all must be thinking, why have I written AND, or why have I used all these three variables? Why I haven't used the whole query in a single query? Let me tell you one thing. I have used this trick in order to reduce the complexity of the SQL query we used here. Now if you see, I have written select m.star u.name from my records m users u, where now this will be replaced by this m.title like percentage title, and m.startDate greater than start date, and m.startDate less than equal to start date, and it will match the user ID. Now it must be clear why have I used these three variables here. Now let us see how the things work practically. Now let us try and search our data. If I write bike here and press the search button, you could see a record with the title name as bike. Now I had put in a condition here to search my data from the ranges between start date and end date. Now if we select our start date starting from 10th and the ending from, let's say, 24th June and search. So these are records, these are the two records present in my SQL table which are having start date and end date in between the dates I had written. So that's it for now guys. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions regarding this topic, do write in comment section. Thank you.